Another shock for employees, another wave of uncertainty, and once again, one of the world's biggest companies is at the center of it. Because right now, the big question that is being asked, are thousands of jobs about to disappear again? Welcome to Times XP's Indian Diaspora section with me, Dhriti Athre, and fresh reports. They are creating panic among the tech world, suggesting that Amazon could be planning a massive new round of layoffs. This time potentially targeting about 14,000 employees globally. If this is actually going to happen, then this would not just be another reconstructing. It would be one of the biggest job cuts in the company's recent history. But wait, here's where the things get confusing, because while these reports they are spreading fast, Amazon has come out and clearly denied them, calling the whole claim inaccurate and unverified. So now we have just two sides. On one side, reports of a major layoff wave. On the other side, the company is saying that this is not true. And in between, there are thousands of employees waiting, watching, and worrying. Now understand the bigger picture here. Over the past year, Amazon has already gone through multiple rounds of job cuts. In late 2025, about 14,000 roles they were eliminated. Then in early 2026, reports suggest another major reduction, close to 16,000 jobs across different teams. Add those numbers together and you are logged at nearly 30,000 roles impacted in less than a year. That's not a small adjustment. This is a massive shift in how the company really operates. Now, the new reports, they claim that if another 14,000 jobs are cut, then the impact could spread far beyond several departments, mid-level managers, HR teams, cloud computing units, and administrative roles. Let me tell you, these are not entry-level roles. These are the key positions that keep the system running. The question is, why is this happening? What's driving these constant layoffs? Well, experts point out to just one major reason: change. A rapid shift in how big tech companies are operating. After years of aggressive hiring, companies are now focusing on efficiency, cost cutting, and automation. And that means that there are going to be fewer people and more machines. Artificial intelligence is also playing out a big role here. Automation tools are replacing repetitive tasks. Decision making is becoming data driven, and companies like Amazon, they are investing heavily in these technologies just to stay competitive. But that also means one harsh reality. Many traditional roles, they are slowly becoming less important. At the very same time, global economic pressure, it is adding to the problem. Slower growth, rising costs, and uncertain demands, they are forcing companies to rethink their workforce strategy. And layoff becomes the quickest way to cut the cost, right? Now, for employees, specifically in countries like India, where thousands works in tech, in fact support roles, this creates a deep sense of insecurity, because even if the layoffs are global, the impact is local. Right now the situation is still unclear. There is no official announcement that has confirmed that this new 14,000 job cuts is a firm decision, but the fear, that's real, because when layoffs have already happened multiple times, people know that it can happen again. And that's the reality of today's job market. It's not just about getting a job anymore. It's about keeping it. So the big question now is simple. Are these reports just speculations, or is another wave quietly being prepared behind the scenes? Ladies and gentlemen, in today's tech world, layoffs, they don't always come with warning. Sometimes they arrive when people least expect them.